So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chef André Davy with another create something new. Yes guys, so today I'll be making the cornmeal coconut dumpling. Yes guys, you heard right. So I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here, and I have 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and right here I have 3 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Yes guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use a fork to combine all my dry ingredients. Okay guys, and I have half teaspoon of salt here. Okay, okay guys, and first thing guys, you want to make sure that your nails are short and that your nails are clean, because you need to use your hands to make the dough. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. And right here guys, I have half cup of water, but what you need to do, you need to add the water little by little. Okay guys, yeah guys, knead it in. Yes guys, I'm out here creating all the unique recipes for you guys. Haha, no worries man, they're all lovely. I'm gonna go and tip a little more water inside. Yeah guys, knead it in, knead it in. You don't need any hand mixer for this guys, no, you don't need no dough mixer for this one. Real Caribbean style. Yeah man. Yeah guys, need this one, need this one. Yes guys, and you want to make sure that you don't have any loose flour anyway. You want to make sure that the bowl is nice and clean. Yeah man, nice and clean guys. Knead it in guys. So yes guys, this is enough of the kneading. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna cover it with a clean dish towel and allow the dough to rest for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so guys, while this is resting, I'm gonna go ahead and put some water on the stove. So yes guys, after 5 minutes of resting, my dough is ready. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and knead. I'm gonna knead it a little bit more. Okay guys, and then what you want to do, you want to break it like this. Yeah, like in small balls. Okay, like this guys. Yeah, like this. It's pretty easy, guys. Trust me. Okay, guys. It's pretty easy. Okay, guys, and this is the way you're gonna make it, like this. You want to go and put a little push on it, yeah? See, guys, it's pretty easy. Or some people make them like this. Roll. Yeah, and push. Yeah, guys, there are so many ways of making dumplings. Or you can make them like this, like so. All you have to do, guys, you have to try these techniques and see which one works best for you. See, guys, you can make them fast, or if it is your first time making them, then you know you have to make them slow. You know what, if you want to make them perfectly round, you can go ahead and do like this, yeah? Yeah, guys, see? Nice and round. Nice and round. Yeah, man, give it a little push like this to make the original Jamaican dumpling shape, yeah? You have to push the middle like this. Yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish these. And yes, guys, these dumplings are perfect with curry shrimp, brown stew chicken, brown stew fish, you know, some veggie chunks. It's all up to you guys, yeah? Or if you are a real Jamaican, you don't know already, dumpling and butter. But for me, I will be having these with, haha, you wanna guess, guys? You know, it's something unique, right? Did someone guess? No, nobody wanna guess. Okay, guys, I will be having these with some diet coke chicken, yeah? You're like, wow, yeah, man. I will leave the link to I will leave the link for that video in my description, guys, yeah? Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I want to put this in a pot of boiling water. But first, let me show you a little trick, okay, guys? So yes, guys, in a pot of boiling water, you wanna go ahead and add some salt, okay? Good. And then you wanna add some butter. Yeah, man. We are putting extra flavor to the dumpling, guys. So I'm just gonna allow my butter to get melted. Then I will be putting in my dumplings, okay, guys? Let me rest them right here. Yeah, man. Close to me. Alright. You wanna count dumpling with me, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dumpling, 7 dumpling, 8 dumpling. Fantastic. 9 dumpling. So yes guys, let me go ahead and give this a stir, yeah? You don't want your dumplings to stick to the pot bottom, okay guys? And from there, I'm gonna cover. And I will allow these to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys? So yes guys, after 15 minutes, my coconut cornmeal dumplings are ready. Yeah? So I'm gonna go ahead, turn off the stove, and I'm gonna serve this up with some Diet Coke chicken. Okay guys? So just stay tuned, okay? So yes guys, my coconut cornmeal dumplings are looking amazing. Yeah man. Haha. My dinner is ready guys. And right here, haha, I have the Diet Coke chicken, yeah? Wow, look how beautiful it is guys. Oh my god. This one is lovely guys. This one is really amazing. So I will be having 3 dumplings and haha, 3 pieces of chicken. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna rest the pepper right on top guys. Just like that. And it's time guys for me to enjoy some dinner. So yes guys, it's time for me to enjoy my dinner. And right here, I have some carrot juice. Yeah, the link will be in my description. And right here, ooh la la, I have my coconut cornmeal dumplings. Served with some Diet Coke chicken. This is beautiful guys. And the link for 1, 2, 3 will be in my description guys. Wow. This chicken is amazing. Coconut cornmeal dumpling is just perfect. Cheers guys. I'm gonna finish this off camera, and after I'm gonna work on some more unique recipe for you guys. Peace out, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.